Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. Actually, a pretty exciting one. I know what these are. Number one, it says Kunwu on the outside, and number two, it tells me what the knife is on the side of the box. So I know, I just haven't actually been in there yet. The sealed wrapping is still on the outside, so we're gonna experience this together. This is an unboxing. It is not a review. I do these blind. I like to share this experience with you guys, sort of the surprise of it. So if you're new to my channel, this is how afternoon content generally works. The full-on comprehensive reviews, those are in the mornings. But today we got an unboxing. Thanks so much to Kunwu for sending this in. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. I think these are available, at least initially, right? But just remember, if you go and look and it's sold out, it might be because everybody who wanted this, who's also watching this video, may have clicked the link and gone and, bought it. So I can't guarantee availability. It's not what I do here, but just know that happens. Like if everybody rushes to do the same thing at the same time. So, for some people, this is how, like my channel or channels that like mine, it's how they discover stuff like this, right? So, we'll see. It might be something that's there. It might not be. Let's go ahead and open this one up here. Take a look. Oh, boy. Yeah, there it is. Oh, that looks familiar. Hold on now. This is the Pulsar XL. Oh boy, an XL version of this does work very well. Now listen, I think the standard Pulsar might actually still be available. Maybe I'm wrong. What do we got here? We got LMAX. If you've never heard of Kunwu, let me tell you, and you'll hear this echoed in the comments. Kunwu probably has the best ratio of quality to value if you value materials like super steels, right? Or how many people define super steels. Powder formed steels like LMAX and titanium, right? Fit and finish. But not just that. Incredible cutting geometry and proper heat treatment. They really do hit these at the right numbers. Wrap all that together. If those things are elements that you value in a knife, you'll find that Kunwu has some of the most competitive pricing on the market. And they also make really cool designs that look good and actually work with your hand, right? So you're kind of getting, in a lot of ways, you're getting the whole package here. Man, the XL really does work. I like the standard Pulsar. It works really well. But this XL version just is phenomenal. Huge fan of that. Nice, of course, we get the Damascus pivot collar, which is a nice little touch. We get just about a perfect pocket clip. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't really care that it's riding right on the texturing. Yeah, I'm in sweatpants right now, and there's almost no drag. This texturing is not sharp, or it's not cheese grater texturing. It's just enough to provide some traction, but not so much that, it's going to fray up your pants like super fast. I mean, maybe if you carry this thing for 10 years and you never, ever buy new pants, then okay. But probably not. You're probably going to be okay. I like this. We'll measure it. We'll measure it in a sec. Let's look at this other one, because I have a feeling the other one is going to be extra spicy. These all come, by the way, with extra omega springs, and I believe the extras are high tension, which is that's a big thing. High tension omega springs. That's what people like. Oh boy, yep. See, I knew it was going to be an alternate aesthetic. This one is blackout and in carbon fiber. Ooh, and it's the shiny DLC. Oh man, oh, that is great. Look at that. Look at that. So these are just streaks from the oil. Same on the carbon fiber. It's just streaks. But yeah, that's really cool, and it's absolutely lighter weight. I wish they hadn't put Pulsar XL right there. I wish they had kept it under LMAX. Right, it's way more noticeable on the black one. Man, the action is just spectacular. What is this running on? It's got to be bearings. It's got to be bearings. Solid lockup. This crossbar lock, by the way, from Kunwu is spectacular. And again, I know people are wary sometimes of omega springs. Oh, but if they break. But listen, you got another set of high tensions. And Kunwu's a good company when it comes to needing things after the sale, right? If you have an issue, if you need some extra Omega springs, it's not like they ignore, requests or anything like that. So this is the type of crossbar lock that I'm on board with, right? Anymore in 2024, I have to remember to say 2024 now, I don't think it's excusable to not have an extra set of Omega springs with your knife. Mainly talking to Benchmade, But there are still some non-USA companies using the crossbar lock, which, by the way, is totally legal now that the patent has ended. There are still some companies that are not Benchmade, right? And they're making crossbar locks and not shipping them with extra Omega springs. It doesn't necessarily have to be an alternate tension, but an extra set of Omega springs, that really solves a lot of headaches. If you have something go wrong, right? Or you just prefer a different, in this case, a different tension, that's going to solve, in my opinion, about 95% of the potential issues that anybody could have with this stuff, right? Yeah, you can buy the right size of Omega springs on eBay pretty cheap, but it'd be nice to just get them in the box. I think that's cool that Kunwu does this. I'm just going to automatically assume and trust that these are reasonable in terms of appropriate pricing. Now, when I say that, if you're new, that doesn't mean that they're going to cost $40. No, these are still very, very premium. But competition, comparing apples to apples, they tend to be at or very near the top. These are awesome. What's the overall size here? Let's look. Ooh, that's big. Holy crap. The 8.75 inches with a 3.9 inch blade, 3.85 inch blade. Cutting edge is, it's 3.5 inches. Wow. Big. How about some size comparison? Should we do that? I think probably. Let's put it up against the 8010 to get some perspective here. The 8010 is a big knife. Look at that. It's longer. Yeah. Spyderco PM2, that's also probably an appropriate size comparison. Look at that. Quite a bit longer than the PM2. How about the Ontario Rat Model 1? Also not a small knife. And let's do the Benchmade Griptilian, or in this case, the Ritter Hug. We'll do that guy right at the bottom. Here we go. Okay. So like I said, this is not a review, just an unboxing and first impressions. But truthfully, first impressions, very, very good. I've never actually handled a Kunwu knife that I didn't like, at least. I've handled ones that I liked but didn't love, and then I've handled ones that I absolutely loved. I mean, that's it. It's like a grading scale from A- to A+. That's all I've ever experienced with Kunwu. Really, really nice, especially that shiny DLC. Do they do a tuxedo or a reverse tuxedo? Or we got the black blade and the titanium scales. That would be awesome. Man, these are super nice. Really, really nice. Pulsar XL in LMAX. Very good in terms of first impression. You will get a full comprehensive review of this knife just a couple of weeks from now, so expect to see that. Like I said, links for these knives and other Kunwu products in the description. If you have never checked out Kunwu, take a look at their website, look at what they have available. They don't make a bad knife, and you don't have to take my word for it. You can look in the comments section, and I guarantee you there's tons of people down there who are very happy with their knife. So please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.